When you open the box, you'll see these three pieces. This little metal ring, that's for boosting your phone's magnetic strength. So if your phone doesn't stick well to the mount, just stick this onto the back of your phone and it'll help it hold firmly. Next, flip over this square part and loosen the screw in the back. You'll want to snap it onto the mount, press until you hear a little click. This part lets you adjust the tilt of your phone. Once you find the right angle, just tighten it up. Now let's mount it on the screen. I'm using my laptop here just to show you how, since I'm at the office. On the back, there are two knobs. A controls how tight the clamp is, and B adjusts the height of the phone holder. After you've clamped it onto your screen, you can play around with the position until it feels just right.